3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be Hawaiian flower, and I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you like what you saw today, like and subscribe. And don't forget, all unique products are available at my website. Link in description. Okay, I'm starting out with a unique primer. Amount.
Exotique, pas logique, érotique, fantastique, une passion physique.
I'm going to grab my eyebrow pencil. I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil.
Très viril. Toilette, cigarette, bicyclette, lots of sweat, je m'amuse sous la couette.
Next, I'm taking my liner shader brush from Unique. I'm going to use this side to line the brows.
Before I do that, I'm actually going to throw on some eye primer really quick.
Tu sais, me plaire, vraiment, c'est clair, je t'adore, mon cher.
Okay, now I'm going to go in with the concealer and draw in some Hawaiian flowers just all over the lid and just get funky with it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and fill in the flowers using this pink and this orange. For this next part, we're gonna do a nice big sparkly green wing. So grab your tape and get that good exact line.
Exotique, pas logique, érotique, fantastique, une passion physique.
Okay, now we get to take off the tape. Oh, actually,
I think we're gonna add some glitter.
yeah, that seems like the move.
Sexe habile, pas fragile, le
Okay, now we can take the tape off.
garçon de ma ville, il est
Next, I'm going in with these four colors. I'm just gonna play around and kind of sharpen up the edges, add a little bit of a white accent, and then we're gonna add our lashes. I thought it would be really fun to do a pink lash. So I got my lashes and cover up, and then I'm gonna use the same pink shadow and we're gonna make some lashes. So all we do here is you just wanna paint the lashes with cover up. Grab that pink shadow and just go over the cover up. Now we have pink lashes. So now we can go ahead and go in with the face.
Finally.
We already have our primer on, so we can skip that step and go straight into contour. So I'm gonna start with the number 6 shade Taffeta. Got a little bit of a summer tan, not a lot. Grab my contouring brush from Unique. I love this brush because it has this angle over here and this side for the concealer. Today I'm going to be using my stick foundation for my contour. So I have a number 1 shade Scarlet and a number 19 shade Georgette. So for this, I used to go right on the face, but I found it easier to actually just use the brush like this. You want to go exactly the same on both sides. So let me try and make up a cheekbone since I don't have any of my own. Getting close. Grab your foundation brush. I prefer this kind, obviously from Unique because they have the best brushes in the world. Alright, so going in with my normal color because I don't have the right shade with me today. I'm going to grab my blusher brush because it has this angle that I really love. I'm going to use that for my bronzer. Next, we're going to put on a little blush because, come on, I'm going to use the funky pink because it only seems right. I'm just going to build on top of that bronzer. And I'm just using a circular motion so that I know it gets blended exactly how I want. It's time to go in and add some color on the bottom. You want to grab like a smaller brush, maybe like this size. I'm using the More of Jaclyn Hill. Oh, JH42.
with the heavy beat, hit me with that view.
Then we're gonna go in and add an inside color.
Just sound.
Our final step is going to be the highlighter, so I'll be going in with these two. This has a nice gold yellow tint to it, but I want it to really pop, so I'm going to put it on top of this pure white highlighter. Both from Unique, both amazing products. You can order them from me on my website.